Good morning, Miss Cherry. The story I want to read is about the ant and the grasshopper. Once upon a time, during a warm summer day, a grasshopper was happily singing and dancing in a meadow. He noticed an ant working diligently, carrying grains to her nest. The grasshopper called out to the ant, inviting her to join him in enjoying the beautiful day instead of working so hard. The ant replied that she was gathering food for the winter and advised the grasshopper to do the same. The grasshopper laughed at the ant's suggestion, believing that there was plenty of time to worry about winter later. He continued to sing and play while the ant worked tirelessly, storing food for the colder months ahead. As summer turned to autumn and then winter, the grasshopper found himself cold and hungry, while the ant had enough food to survive comfortably. When the grasshopper approached the ant and begging for food, the ant reminded him of his carefree summer and how he had not prepared for the future. The grasshopper realized too late the importance of hard work and planning ahead. So this story reminds me of my childhood. I love this story so much because it it makes me it makes me believe that working so hard or doing the things that you want to do is better to do it in earlier than before, because because it was good that you will prepare for the future and hard work when it matters. It emphasized that while it is enjoyable to have fun, one must also take responsibility and plan for times of need. The ant represents diligence and foresight, while the grasshopper symbolized the consequences of laziness and lack of preparation. Because this story ninangkay ko kay tungod kanang nagpakita bitaw siya nga kanang kung wala kay kanang preparedness bitaw para sa imong future, kay kanang malate ka or wala kay kanang maani bitaw nga kanang need nimo nga kanang mag-prepare para sa imong future. Kay kung magsige lang ka og happy wala jud kay kanang earn bitaw as kanang kuan dili sa kuning buhaton sunod na lang, wala kay kanang makuan kay magsige kag sunod-sunod na lang maabot ang time nga wala ni jud kay kuan para sa imong kaugalingon, wa kay ma-save. So before ka mo palit anong mga needs nimo or wants, dapat imo jud na unahon ang or imuhang needs. Among wants dapat unahon sa nimo imong needs para abot sa panahon nga kanang magkinahanglan ka na kay makuot na kay makuha na kay makuan sa imuhang kanang hinaguan bitaw, dili kay kanang ugma-ugmaon or unya-unyaon or dili ka mo trabaho kay because taas pa ang oras, daghan pa og time. So inana lang jud ang buhaton nga kanang kuan sa mo ning ganahan kay kuaning nga story kay nabitaw siya kanang makatunan nga kanang lesson nga kanang na imong makuan nimo ba nga need mo i-prepare imong future, mo work hard jud ka kay kanang mao man jud ni ang kanang maka kuan man jud siya og kanang ma-foresight nimo ba nga in the future na kay makuan sa imong kaugalingon. So mao na siya nga mao nang ganahan kay kuan nga story yung kuan jud pa niya din. The story reminds me that the ants work so hard para sa iyang future para na siya makuha, while the grasshopper reminds me nga dili jud ay maangay magkanang langay-langay buhaton dayon ug unsay angay buhaton or unsay angay ipabuhat, kay in the future ma-earn man jud na nimo ang kanang imuhang maani jud na nimo nga kanang naa jud kay makuha bitaw nga kanang mas prepared ka kaysa wala kay na prepared para sa imong kaugalingon. So moro to siya, miss. Thank you.